Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by picking exactly what the QR will contain and why someone will scan it. Once decided, format that content, plain text, vCard fields, Wi-Fi credentials, or a geopoint, and make sure you use UTF-8 when there are non-ASCII characters. Next, choose an error correction level, L for maximum capacity or H if damage resistance matters. Finally, decide desired module size and margin so generated data maps to an appropriate QR version before you encode it. Now you convert your prepared content into a QR matrix on your machine. First, serialize the text into the exact schema required, vCard with CRLF line breaks, or Wi-Fi string with SSID and password labels, so scanners parse correctly. Then use an offline library or app to perform encoding and error correction, producing the black/white module grid. Make sure to pick output format, such as scalable SVG if you'll resize later, and set module size and quiet zone to guarantee. Finish by exporting a high-resolution image or an SVG so the QR remains crisp at any size. Once done, test the code with several scanner apps and devices in dim and bright light to confirm universal readability. If a scanner fails, make sure to increase error correction, enlarge module size, add a larger quiet zone, or boost contrast between foreground and background. Finally, re-export and retest until every device scans reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.